dương mới ủi hỏi thì phí what did he say what did he say ủi hỏi ta bữa đó mình nãy nó còn ban này gì chứ á mình còn mình nãy nó còn ban này gì vấn tái dương dương sẽ đạp bật lư dương của dương sẽ đạp bật toàn đó nè chứ dương anh vậy bạn thấy ta còn ban này gì cái mình rồi nhé chẳng what did he say những cứ bài thác ta còn ban này gì kể ở lấy dương an tam là kêu tích tao what did he say what did he say what did he say ok chẳng what did he say bài thác ta còn ban này gì kể ta còn ban này gì vậy mình này ta dương sẽ đạp bật to được cái dương đăng ta còn gì ấy chẳng cho con gì mà đóng tiền chẳng dương xua thà ta còn ban gì kể chẳng á bà đôi ví dụ hàng lợn đấy u ta họ thà miền mật phèo bỏ dương nó còn gặp phong từ nơi không tiền hay dương ban tu được sạp ta còn chẳng á dương tu sạp ta có dương xua còn thà hello xung quanh ta ở anh gặp phong thưa vậy đài bây giờ dương xua con nó xua thà dương đăng thà còn gặp phong thưa ấy á cứ dương ọt đăng ấy mày đấy chẳng dương xua thà ta còn gặp phong thưa ấy chẳng bây giờ hãy đi dương ai pra ví dụ này bạn thà what are you doing right okสบายใจมันแต่แต่ออกนี่อายุบานอย่างหล่อลูกครูไปต่อโจตลอดอุตหะที่ใบต่ออ่านตามลูกครูสัน What is she buying What is she buying What is she buying Alright จัง What is she buying แปลท้าตาเนียงกับปงแต่เต็งอย่างไว้ buy นั่นคือแปลท้าเต็งนะเราไปแทน ing แปลอ่านท้า buying แปลท้ากับปงเต็งเลิกประโยคนี้ยืงแปลเราไปเดี๋ยวยืงอุตหะไทยยืงเติบซาจ้ะอุทธรณ์ยังเติบซาสลับแต่ยังเคยหมดแผลบอกยังเนี่ยเรียนจะบุยคณีจังนะก็เติบซาได้หายยังเติมมีคณีปีเนี่ยให้มันเนี่ยสไลด์นั่นก็เติมมันเนี่ยไอ้เด็กเลยอุทธรณ์นะเสียบแต่เป็นนั่นยังจะใจคณียังจะใจคณีจะหมดแผลบอกยังจังนะเอ้ยไอ้เมื่อเนาะหมดแผลยังแต่เนี่ยนั่งเรียนจะมุยยังเนี่ยแต่ก็เรียนถนัดของยังแต่หนูกอดกระพงแต่ติงไอ้เนาะเดี๋ยวเป็นจังหมดแผลยังสไลด์ทั้งตานี่กระพงติงไอ้เนาะเคยเนี้ยจังเดี๋ยวเป็นนั่นคือยังไอ้ใหญ่บานท้า What is she buying ตานี่กระพงติงอย่างไรเคยเนี้ยจังไม่ได้ถ้าเป็นนั่นคือสกัดหมดแผลบอกยังนั่นกระพงดาวซาเราติงไงคือยังเคยจะกำเพียบนี่กับพงดาเราเต็งจังยังไอสูท่า What is she buying แต่นี่กับพงแต่ยังไง alright โยนบานเนี่ยนะโยนบานที่บุญ Who is in the kitchen Who is in the kitchen right Who is in the kitchen จังแปลท่าตาโนน่าในขนมประเทศบ่าย kitchen นั่นคือแปลท่าประเทศบ่าย in คือแปลท่าขนมนะที่ยังมีเรียนแต่ตอนมีเรียนลำบากแต่บทที่ติดมีนะแต่ตรงหนึ่ง in นั่นคือให้ท่า preposition of location or preposition of place ที่ติดยังเรียนยังหนึ่งละมาใช่ปะจัง who is in the kitchen alright อ่านตามหลักครูติดต่อ who is in the kitchen who is in the kitchen who is in the kitchen โอเคจังแปลท่าตอนนั้นในขนมประเทศบ่ายเลยอุตหะท่าลือสำเร็จกระดงกระเดียงขนมประเทศบ่ายจังนะมีเนี่ยฟื้นหกขนมหนึ่งปัจจัยหยอดดังท่านเนี่ยน้องจีนนาเตởดังท่านเนี่ยน้องจีนนาเตจังยังแปลประหูจังตอนนั้นในขนมประเทศบ่ายเนี่ยหูคือแปลสำหรับส่วนปีมนุษย์ยลต่อยังมือตีนแต่ตัวหนึ่งหู Who is your father อ่านมั้ง Who is your father Who is your father Who is your father rightจัง Who is your father แปลทำไมเนี่ยนะแปลบ้านมาแปลบ้านเอาเป็นตุ่มมวยโอเคแปลบ้านนั้นโอเคต่อจังWho is your father แปลท้าตาเอาปกระบอกเนี่ยจีนหนาหรือก็ตาหนาจีเอาปกระบอกเนี่ยอยู่บ้านเนี่ยตาหนาจีเอาปกระบอกเนี่ยหรือก็ปกระบอกเนี่ยจีนหนาบ้านในท่าก็อัดสกอร์เลยอัดสกอร์ถ้าปกระบอกเนี่ยจีนหนาเตจังอุทธรณ์เอาปกระบอกขยมจีครูแปดพวกบอกขยมจีครูบังเรียนในจังนะโอเค Who is your father คือยังไอซูบ้าน My father is a teacher right เนี่ย My father is a teacher My father is a doctor พวกบอกขยมจีวิเชียมันเด็ดไอจังเตยยังมืออุตหะที่ประมวยแต่ตรงจมูกหนึ่ง Who ได้ก็ได้ยัง Who ได้ยังเผยแพร่สำหรับการส่วนปีมนุษย์นะ Who are they ต่ออ่าน Who are they Who are they Who are they Who are they คือแปลท้าตาปูเกคือจีนนาเลืออุตหะทำมีนขมิ้นมือกลมกับพงแต่รถเลงในเรือวิลสมาอย่างอ่ะให้เสียบแต่มีนมนุษย์เนี่ยมาสู้จังมาสู้เยอะนะสู้เยอะท่า Who are they โอ้ตาปูเกนั่นคือจีนนาสู้ปูเกนั่นคือสู้สำหรับเรือขมิ้นมาวงกับพงรถเลงเรือวิลสมานั่นนะจังอย่างไอชายท่า They are my students ปูเกคือจีสัตว์บอกขยม They are my children They are my children ปูเกคือจีคนบอกขยมมาจังอ่ะ They are my friend ปูเกคือจีมัดเพชรบอกขยมมาจังเตยนะโอเคโยนบ้านนี่นะต่อยังโจลต่อยังโจลต่อจำนวนต่อติดอุทหะที่ปรำปีจังในขนมจำนวนอุทหะที่ปรำปีที่ปรำใบที่ปรำบุญคือจีสมโนได้ยังสู้อุทหะแต่ตรงจมูกยังปีเวียแปลทำให้เหมือนแปลทาแอนนายังแปลสำหรับส่วนปีไอตีกันไหลแม่นอนโอเคจังเวียแปลสำหรับส่วนปีตีกันไหลแล้วนี่ยังจะประดามมือหมอการอุทหะบ่อยยัง Where are you now Where are you now អានតាមគ្រូផងណា Where are you now Where are you now អូខេ Where are you now ប្រែថាម៉េច now នឹងប្រែថាម៉េច now នឹងគឺប្រែថាឥឡូវនេះ you អ្នក Where are you now ប្រែថាតើឥឡូវនេះអ្នកនៅឯណាអញ្ចឹងប្រយោគនេះទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចយកទៅសួរមិត្តភក្តិយើងបានទេមែនអត់អាចយកទៅប្រើប្រាស់បានទេមែនអត់ឃើញទេអញ្ចឹងងាយស្រួលខ្លាំងមែនតើអញ្ចឹង Where are you now តើអ្នកនៅឯណាឃើញអត់ឃើញយើងសួរអំពីទីកន្លែងឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងតាក់ទងទៅមិត្តភក្តិរបស់យើងតាមទូរស័ព្ទអញ្ចឹងអត់ដឹងថាគាត់នៅណាឥឡូវអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចសួរគាត់បាន Where are you now I am at home អូខ្ញុំនៅឯផ្ទះ I am at school ខ្ញុំនៅសាលារៀន I am in the room អញ្ចឹងណាខ្ញុំនៅក្នុងបន្ទប់អញ្ចឹងទៅអូខេយល់បានយើងមើលទី8 Where is my book Where is my book Where is my book អូខេអញ្ចឹង Where is my book ប្រែថាម៉េច Where ឯណា my របស់ខ្ញុំយើងរៀនហើយមែនទេ is ប្រែថាគឺជាឬក៏ប្រែថានៅក៏បានដែរ book ប្រែថាអីគេអ្នកណាគេក៏ចេះពាក្យហ្នឹងដែរមែនទេអត់ចេះពាក្យហ្នឹងគឺបើជួបគ្រូវិញគឺគ្រូដកបន្ទុកម្នាក់មួយតែម្ដងអូខេអញ្ចឹង Where is my book ប្រែថាតើសៀវភៅរបស់ខ្ញុំនៅឯណាលើកឧទាហរណ៍ថាមិត្តភក្តិរបស់យើងខ្ចីសៀវភៅយើងអញ្ចឹងណាហើយដល់ពេលហ្នឹងយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមសួររកសៀវភៅយើងវិញឯណាសៀវភៅរបស់ខ្ញុំដែលអ្នកបានខ្ចីអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចសួរថា Where is my book តើសៀវភៅខ្ញុំនៅណាដែរអញ្ចឹងយល់បានយ៉ាយើងចូលមកដល់ទី9 Where is Dara តោះអាន Where is Dara Where is Dara Where is Dara តើ Dara នៅឯណាឃើញអត់អញ្ចឹង Where ហ្នឹងគឺយើងមិនត្រឹមតែអាចសួរអំពីសភៅសួរអំពីវត្ថុអីទេគឺយើងអាចសួរតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងមនុស្សតើ Dara នៅឯណាអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាតើលោក Dara គាត់នៅឯណា Where is Dara តើ Dara នៅឯណាអញ្ចឹងយើងឥឡូវនេះឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងណាត់គ្នាទៅដើរលេងអញ្ចឹងណាហើយយើងមានមិត្តភក្តិម្នាក់ឈ្មោះ Dara ស្រាប់តែពេលដែលយើងទៅដើរលេងហ្នឹងគឺទៅដល់កន្លែងណាត់ហើយស្រាប់តែ Dara អត់ឃើញមកដល់អត់ទាន់មកដល់អញ្ចឹងណាយើងអាចសួរមិត្តភក្តិយើងថាចុងយើងដល់ម៉ោងណាត្រូវទៅតែមិន Dara អត់ទាន់ឃើញមកទៀតឃើញអត់អញ្ចឹងពេលហ្នឹងគឺយើងអាចប្រើជាប្រយោគសំណួរសួរថា Where is Dara alright យើងមើលទី10តាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់នៅពាក្យ when គឺប្រែថាពេលណាសម្រាប់សួរតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង time តាក់ទងនឹងពេលវេលា use when to talk about the time we ask question about time we use when ពេលដែលយើងសួរសំណួរតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង when គឺយើងសួរអំពីពេលវេលាណាអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលឧទាហរណ៍ទី10នេះដែលនិយាយពី when will you go when will you go អូខេអានទៀត when will you go when will you go ប្រែថាតើអ្នកនឹងទៅពេលណាឃើញតើអ្នកនឹងទៅពេលណា go ហ្នឹងគឺប្រែថាទៅណាទាំងអស់គ្នាចាំពាក្យនឹងផងល្អណាសុទ្ធតែពាក្យល្អទាំងអស់ go ប្រែថាទៅ you ប្រែថាអ្នក will ហ្នឹងគឺប្រែថានឹងឧទាហរណ៍ថា I will eat rice now ខ្ញុំនឹងញ៉ាំបាយឥឡូវនេះអញ្ចឹងណា will ហ្នឹងគឺប្រែថានឹង when ហ្នឹងគឺពេលណាយើងមានទេណានេះអញ្ចឹង when will you go ប្រែថាតើអ្នកនឹងទៅនៅពេលណាតើអ្នកនឹងទៅនៅពេលណាតើអ្នកនឹងទៅនៅពេលណាអូខេ when will you go អូខេតាលើកឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងសួរមិត្តភក្តិយើងថាគាត់នឹងទៅផ្ទះវិញនៅពេលណាឬក៏អ្នកមិត្តភក្តិយើងនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមចេញដំណើរនៅពេលណាអញ្ចឹង when will you go អញ្ចឹងអូខេឥឡូវនេះយើងអាចចូលមកដល់ទី11 When is your birthday When is your birthday When is your birthday ប្រែថាតើខួបកំណើតរបស់អ្នកនៅពេលណាមានន័យថាចង់សួរអំពីពេលវេលានៃខួបកំណើតអូខេអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងចង់សួរពីពេលវេលាខួបកំណើតរបស់មិត្តភក្តិយើងឬក៏សង្សាររបស់យើងដៃគូរបស់យើងឬក៏ប្រិយប្រពន្ធអញ្ចឹងយើងចង់ដឹងពីថ្ងៃខួបកំណើតរបស់គ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចសួរបាន When is your birthday When is your birthday តើខួបកំណើតរបស់អ្នកនៅពេលណាអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងគេឆ្លើយ My birthday is អូខេឆ្លើយអីចុចអញ្ចឹងមកណាអូខេអត់តន់ចេះឆ្លើយក៏បានដែរនៅក្នុងនេះគឺគ្រាន់តែបរៀនឲ្យទាំងអស់គ្នាចេះពីរបៀបសួរសិនទៅមួយទៀតយើងនឹងរៀនចេះឆ្លើយអាចនិយាយបានតែម្ដងមិនបារម្ភទេណាតោះយើងចូលមកដល់ទី12 When are they coming When are they coming តោះអាន When are they coming When are they coming When are they coming គឺប្រែថាតើពួកគេនឹងមកនៅពេលណាcoming នៅក្នុងប្រយោគនេះប្រែថាមិនប្រែថាតើពួកគេកំពុងមកណាអ្នកដែលធ្លាប់រៀនបានខ្លះប្រហែលជាអាចច្រឡំគឺយើងអាចប្រែថាតើពួកគេនឹងមកនៅពេលណាមិនប្រែថាពួកគេកំពុងមកនៅពេលណាទេតោះណាសួរថាហេតុផលអីបានយើងអាចប្រែបានទៅអញ្ចឹងលោកគ្រូអត់ប្រាប់ពេលនេះទេគ្រាន់តែចាំថាប្រែអញ្ចឹងបានទៅបានហើយចាំពេលក្រោយចាំយើងជួបលម្អិតជាមួយគ្នាណាហើយក៏មិនសួរដែរគ្រូអត់ប្រាប់ទេចាំដល់ពេលបានគ្រូប្រាប់តិចអត់ប្រាប់ក្នុងមេរៀនឆាតមកសួរព្រាតអូខេតោះឥឡូវយើងមើល When are they coming តើពួកគេនឹងមកនៅពេលណាគឺសុទ្ធតែសួរតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងពេលវេលាមែនទេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលទី13